Wala pa man nila dito. So let's go. What they have done here. Here, wala pa. Oh, shit, I need more. You need more here. On February 28, that's what they have done. Wala pa na kuan. Alright. So need here. Okay. That's the. Okay. Oh, dagan-dagan kailangan dyan. So money from here to here, that's 2 inches. 1, 2. Okay, that's 2 inches. Else, this one. In here. Okay. They put some beam here. Another beam. Okay. So this is another beam. Okay. Okay. So they put something. So it's all over. They need something for that. Oh my god. I need some. This shirt. This one. Yeah. Oh, that's what. Okay. Need more. So I need some. So that's the last portion. Ilom, oy. Ilom. Di magsaba-saba. Ano saba, oy? That's the last portion. Ayaw saba-saba. Alright. Na. So, need ba sila? Pila na lang papanagod. Okay, ilan na po. Wala ng water. Need more water. Uy, walang water na. Okay, yan. Walang water. Then, nag-start na sila here. Good. So, this is the 1.5. Siya to. Kaya 1.5. 1 na siya. Nag-start na sila. O, kuan. Kaut. Okay. Unsa pa man ha? Unsa pa ilang nahimo? Okay, they have here a lot of ready for the interior post. Oh, ready na. So then that needs to get ready. What else pa? Alright, at least mauna ni. Oh. Alright. Ila na ninggi ko on. This big one. Really big. Oh, look. Oh, there's no stores. This is two-car garage. So they put something here. So for this electrical, need to put. Is this 3-inch or 2-inch? Oh, 1 or 3/4. 3/4 yan. Alright. That's it for today. No more water. Uy, no more water talaga. Water na. Yung sand. Ang gravel. Uy. My gosh. Sand and gravel need more. Sand and gravel and sa ipasud, ipakuan ang mga lagi, asa man ni pwede sila but they need to get the place, start this place from here, backing natin na sila. Alright.